Let's start. State true or false. The rational number 0 is the additive identity for the rational numbers. Now what is additive identity? See here, there are two terms separate. Additive inverse is separate and additive identity is separate. Inverse means that number which when added to the original number, the answer becomes 0. We have studied that earlier. This is inverse, means original number minus 5, you add plus 5 and answer is 0. This is called as additive inverse. Similarly, there are multiplicative inverse. But now we are studying additive identity. The whole number 0 is the additive identity element of a whole number. Means this statement is true because a rational number 0 is the additive identity for the rational numbers. You add 0 to any number, you get the same number. That is the meaning of additive identity. The additive inverse of a of a rational number a upon b is minus a upon b. So what do you mean by additive inverse? If you add these two numbers, the answer should be 0. Will it be 0? Yes, because both are same and one is plus, one is minus. So answer is true. Rational numbers are closed under operations of subtraction, multiplication and division. So that is false. Why? What do you mean by closed? Closed means when you divide, multiply, add or subtract, whatever operation you wanted, one integer with the another, you must always get an integer. Means the answer should be an integer only. Now same logic lies for rational numbers also. Means it's given as integer, you can take it as rational number also. So if you add minus 5 with minus 6, you get minus 11. That is integer rational number again. So that is the meaning of closed. If you multiply minus 5 with 0.75, then you again get whatever answer you will be getting. You will be getting a rational number only. If you multiply 5 with 0, you will get answer as 0. So that is again a rational number. But if you divide 5 by 0, you won't get any answer because that is not defined. Division by 0 is not defined. That's why it is not closed under division. So this statement is false because of this division word. If this word wouldn't have been there, it would have been addition over here. Then the answer would have been true. But now it is false because division by 0 is not defined. Some books call it infinity. Okay. There are infinite rational numbers between two rational numbers. That is true. Why? Let's take one example. Let's say this is a number line. 0 is over here and it goes up to infinity. Let's take any two numbers on this, 2 and 3. Now how many numbers are there between 2 and 3? You can see 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Now I can further divide this, 2.1 and 2.2. So 2.11, 2.12, 2.13, 2.14, 2.19 and up to then 2.2 for this. I can further divide this, 2.111, 2.112, 2.113. I can go up to infinity on this. So, and all these are rational numbers. That is very important. Why these are rational numbers? Because what is the definition of rational numbers? Rational numbers means after point, if the sequence of the numbers gets repeated, then it is called as rational. Means 2.11. Is it a rational? Yes. Why? Because what is the real meaning of this? 2.11 and then 0000, which is not written over here. So 0 gets repeated. So that's why it's rational. 2.12, 0000. So that's why it's rational. So see this, 2.135, 135, 135 up to infinity, it's again a rational because 135 gets repeated. But look at this, 2.135, 235, 335 and up to infinity. This is not a rational number. Why? Because the sequence is not getting repeated. 135 is not getting repeated over here. Okay? So that is the meaning of rational. So coming back, how many rational numbers are there? Infinite number of rational numbers are there between two rational numbers.